baby, here we go.
Hi everyone, so another video today. So we're going to be showing you the difference with our petrol caps that we sell. So we have a gloss black one and a carbon fibre one, which is genuine. You can get both of these on our website. There is a bit, obviously, a price difference because obviously it's carbon and gloss black. So some of these gloss black ones we sell do come with a protective film over the top, which makes it look matte black, and some people say, oh, it looks unfinished, blah blah blah. But you simply just literally peel the film back and it does reveal the glossy finish underneath. So it literally just peels off and you stick it. It just literally fits over your existing chrome petrol cap, and it is pretty easy, as you'll see in the video. Like I say, they are a solid plastic and it's easy. Right, so first step, just ensure that your petrol cap's clean, that there's no debris or dirt or grease or anything on it. So you just need to peel the backing tape on here. If you do want to apply some extra heat into it to make sure the glue's sticky, then do it. So you just literally get the petrol cap and the cover, and they just literally join and stick. So it's a really simple procedure. You just literally clean it, heat up the glue and stick it on, and it's done. And it makes a massive difference when a manky chrome. Come on.